Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing green with yellow. Official weight, 119.9 pounds. Professional record, an outstanding one. 5 victories with 1 defeat, with all of his 5 victories coming by way of knockout. From Libertad, Misamis Oriental, and proudly representing Alas Boxing Promotions of Compostela, Davao de Oro, ladies and gentlemen, Geraldine, the Samurai Oclarit. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing a black, red with gold, official weight, 113 pounds. He has a perfect professional record consisting of 11 victories with 6 by knockouts, and he is undefeated. From Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and Cebu City, Philippines, fighting out of Saigon Sports Club, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, proudly representing Viva Promotions, introducing the hard-hitting AJ, the Sniper Pasiones. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Virgilio Garcia.
Gentlemen, 8:45. After the instruction, good fight, then good luck. Back to order.
Short and sweet instructions from the man they call the veteran, Virgilio Garcia.
Yan ang veterano.
Alam mo naman si Virgilio Garcia, pag siya'y nagre-referee sa isang boxing match, akala mo chumachacha pa rin.
Oo, si Virgilio, akala mo parang mga 55 years old lang. Eh.
Yun lang.
120. Tagal na yan, kaibigan natin yan.
Tagal na yan. Ayan ang barito.
One of the best.
So round 1 na po tayo dito. Pasiones in the black and red with the flag of Vietnam and immediately attacking. Etong si Oclarit in the green. We don't expect this to go the distance, Dennis.
You mentioned about his last fight. Pinalo niya, Rene Marcuarto. Former world champion.
Yes.
Ang pinalo niya. Na dalawang beses tumalo kay Pedro Tadura.
Of course. And Pedro Taduran able to get the belt back, and he has his second title defense of his new lease on the belt. Maya-maya po yan. What a shot galing dito kay Pasiones. Diretso sa ulo ni Oclarit at medyo nahilo. Itong taga Bukidnon.
Alam mo, baka pwedeng makita natin yung future opponent ng mananalo mamaya sa World Championship. Itong si AJ Pasiones.
Right. Pasiones is 5'7" and is listed as a flyweight. Does not make sense.
Kaliwete pa.
Oo. So Pasiones, nakita mo na, napaka-flat-footed talaga, just wanting to deal a power shot. 6 of his 11 victories by way of knockout, and coming off a second-round TKO win kontra kay Sanchay Yotbun in his last matchup in Thailand. Power shot kagad yung binibitiwan doon ni Pasiones, trying to go for everything.
Medyo malayo nga lang, ano? Pero makikita mo yung power, yung intention, nandun eh, no?
Masamang intensyon.
Oo.
Gusto yung mga mamugot dito sa kanyang, with that left hand. Again, that's a southpaw who has fought almost exclusively in Vietnam and in Thailand.
You know, I have to admit, ngayon palang napanood tong si Pasiones. Pero parang yung kanya, sa nakikita ko ngayon, parang gusto niyang tapusin agad eh. Sa suntok lang.
Exactly. I was saying kanina, Dennis, we don't expect this to go the distance.
Oo.
Hindi lang sa kanya kasi knockout artist sa kanya kalaban. Geraldine Oclarit with 5 victories, all 5 wins coming by way of knockout.
Pwede rin, baka nag-iingat din. Nagpapakita rin ng respeto itong si Pasiones doon sa record ni Oclarit.
Well, Oclarit, only 1 defeat sa kanyang professional career. Yan, power shots. Yan ang nangyayari dito. Tahimik yung mga tao. They're really expecting 1 shot, Dennis, na matapos na ito laban.
Kasi majority ng mga kasama natin dito talagang matagal na sa boxing.
Oo. Again, they say the Filipino boxing fan is one of the most intelligent boxing fans in the world. Usually, pag may ingay mga Pilipino, habang may nangyayaring boxing, may kakengkoya na nangyayari.
Totoo yan.
Pag ganito, yung alam mong at any moment, pwede na matapos yung laban, tahimik sila. First round about to come to an end. Puro power shots ang binibitiwan ng magkabila. And And by virtue of just one connection in that first round, you can give that first round to AJ Pasiones.
Agree. Pero hindi mo pwedeng sinuhin itong si Oclarit.
Oo.
Mukhang nag-aabang din sa nakikita ko.
Yun na nga. Sino PPTO, sino ang counterpunch? That was the connection earlier. That might have been the catalyst sa pagkuha nitong si AJ Pasiones nung ating first round. But again, everybody's expecting this to end early.
Napapansin ko rin na partner, itong si Pasiones, parang gusto niya siya mauna, siya tumama. Yung kabila naman,
No.
medyo kuma-counter. Ako sa pagdating sa estilo, mas takot ako sa counter puncher.
Oo naman, oo naman. Kasi pag bibitiw kami minsan, parang ginawa ni Yumir Marshall din sa, nalala mo sa Olympics, sa kalaban niya, di ba? Kinounter lang niya sa tulog. You don't know where it's coming from, especially pag counter puncher yan. At minsan hindi lang isang sunod yan, sunod-sunod yan. I mean, take a look at Eric Morales, di ba?
Yes.
Round 2 na po tayo. Tingnan mo, parang Muay Thai pinapanood natin dito. Nakaabang lang silang dalawa. O, magkakamali ka, ako papasok. But this is one good thing that Geraldine Oclarit is doing. Pinapasok na niya yung kanyang jab.
Yes.
Sige, kumounter ka. Nakahanda na yung kanan ko.
Pero ngayon, mas nagiging active na rin yung jab ni Pasiones.
Oo.
Ayun, isa pa, dalawa.
At pagdating doon, slight reach advantage of about 2.5 inches to AJ Pasiones. Pero the height advantage is also 2.5 inches. Ano, tahimik talaga tao dito. Oh, good shot there with the left hand.
Parang nag-aabang ng explosion dito.
Doubt if it's going to be a flurry. It might be a knockout by a counter punch. Very dangerous na ginagawa rito ni Pasiones. At pumapasok siya, nakaabang, and there's that shot coming from Oclarit.
Pero pumapasok si Oclarit,
Oo.
kahit na nakakukuha ng timing si Pasiones, ang gandang bitaw sa katawan.
Oclarit, pinapakita yung counter punching din isa.
Ingat na sa counter.
Oo. So very flat-footed, looking for the opportunities. That time, lumamang si Pasiones sa exchange. Again, Pasiones not really using the jab as a weapon. That has been the choice of Geraldine Oclarit. Counter. Galing kay Pasiones. Oclarit wants to go in.
Matapang din lang yung Oclarit, partner.
Oo.
Nakakatikim siya, nasasaktan siya, pero pumapasok pa rin.
Pero yung mga counter na kay Pasiones, mabango sa judges yung mga ganyan.
Si Pasiones nagpapakita ng variety ng mga suntok. Kanina, jab, straight, ngayon naman, counter, may uppercut din.
Less than 1 minute remaining. Second round scheduled for 8.
Ayun, sa
Down he goes! Hindi na yata makakabangon itong si Geraldine Oclarit.
Wala na.
He's being counted down and he is now waved off by Virgilio Garcia, and immediately Dr. kaagad ang si Pasiones was the first on the scene here. Tulog pa rin po itong si Oclarit. Where did that come from, Dennis Principe?
Parang counter yung nakita natin no?
Oo. At ano pa rin wala pa rin yung mata nitong si Geraldine Oclarit.
Oo.
He's responding to questions, pero what a shot. We have to see this again. Sa ilalim, Mintes, tuloy, ayun, sapul. Left hand flush into the nose of Geraldine Oclarit. Another angle here, Dennis.
Talagang tamang-tama yung sukat, yung layo, and yung lakas.
And there's Sean Gibbons, of course, the president of MP Promotions, getting this all on video to share with his boss that we may have a potential world champion on your screens.
And could be a challenger,
Oo. Dito kay Pedro Taduran. Oo. And everybody is still shocked dito. Ngayon pa lang po bumabangon, sumusubok bumangon. We have our 2 ring physicians already at the scene. At palakpakan ng tawag is Dr. Clark Joel Hernandez and Dr. Alfredo de la Fuente on the scene just to see kung naka-recover na ito. Nag-snap back ba yung leeg niya? Hindi ko napansin eh. Alam ko puro sa mukha eh.
Hindi,
Especially with somebody this
2
big.
minutes and 25 seconds. On the second round, we have a winner by knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, from Viva Promotions, the Sniper, Arvin John Pasiones.